Fish. Nice to have you with us.
We have an old friend in the chat who's in the waiting room. Shall we bring up Mary Paige?
Hello, Sue Ann.
Hey guys.
I'm Mary.
Hi, Mary. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I just wanted to show you this beautiful fish tank, Father Fish, that was inspired completely by you. You know, I brought a little bit of your supplements with me. We used a little bit of soil out of our yard, some sand and some gravel. We put down in this tank. We put 3 inches of the black diamond sandblasting sand in here. You sent me these beautiful plants, the Vallisneria. I'm not sure what this one is. I'm not sure what that is right there. But as you see, it's doing great. Cassie B had sent me this Bacopa and the sword. Now, I do admit this Pogostemma stellatus octopus came from Aquarium Co-op, but we just have some platies, some guppies, a betta, some mystery snails, pond snails, ram's horns, and some corridor catfish. And for a first-time fish tank for a family, this is a 29-gallon. It is thriving, and this is thanks to the Fish Way.
Well,
So,
the plants look wonderful, Mary.
Yeah,
just really wonderful.
I'm so excited about it.
Yeah, it looks
I'm really
nice.
excited, and I've been wanting to show it off for my. And finally, Father Fish, I got some duckweed. You hooked me up with the duckweed, so I'm.
Oh,
well, I love it.
That's fabulous.
Look,
it's a mixed blessing.
Right. This tank has been set up for about 2 months, and look, do y'all see any algae or anything going on?
No, it looks great.
It's really balanced out. We do have the SpongeBob pineapple in there.
Yeah, that's always good. That's a bonus. You know.
But we have new life going on. We have little babies in here. I just wanted to stop in for a minute because I miss you guys, and I just wanted to stop and say hello. And, you know, what I learned from you, I'm really happy with it. And this is something that my grandchildren and my daughter is enjoying so much. And I'm just tickled to death with it. I mean, how can I not be? You know?
Right.
Look at this.
It is
I need
lovely.
to do a little aquascaping and get it kind of like tightened up a little bit, but it's looking great. Look at this valve. This stuff is awesome, Father Fish. I love it. But we just found some lava rocks out in our yard. I guess whoever had the property here before had some lava rocks in their flower beds, and we found these. Black diamond sandblasting sand, a little dirt, a little gravel down here, and the supplements and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to stop in and share it with you for a few minutes.
Thank you.
Very good.
Wonderful. I love it. I love it.
All right. Well, I love you guys. And my kids are wild in here. The grandbabies are just, they're doing their thing. So.
Well, that's good. Everybody's good and healthy and running around. Bye, Mary. She's gone already. Bye, Mary.
Thanks for plugging in and watching and being a part of this channel and this series of videos. Found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice to have you with us. Come on back.